Hey there, folks. Today we're going to talk about A1 Terrazzo, a top-notch terrazzo installation and maintenance company that serves all of Central South Florida. With over 25 years of experience, they've got you covered for all your terrazzo needs. A1 Terrazzo is known for their exceptional craftsmanship and dedication to customer satisfaction. They specialize in the installation, maintenance, and repair of terrazzo floors, countertops, and more. Their team of experts is well equipped to handle any project, big or small. A1 Terrazzo takes pride in their work, and their commitment to quality is evident in every job they complete. They're the go-to choice for many businesses, schools, and homes in the area, thanks to their reliable and professional services. So if you're in need of terrazzo services in Central South Florida, look no further than A1 Terrazzo. They're the trusted choice for all your terrazzo needs. Thanks for tuning in. And if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Until next time, take care.